death cycle of the animal realm. 4. By not having high blood pressure, high cholesterol level, which may result in a heart attack. 5. By having a good temper, understanding clear and conscience pure. Confucius said, there are 5 steps of practicing the Tao: extensive study, thorough inquiry, careful reflection, clear discrimination and earnest practice. During the advanced stage of Tao cultivation, one is able to develop the 5 supernormal powers: divine eyes, divine ears, through reading reminiscence of past births and different psychic powers. It must not be understood that those supernormal powers are essential for sainthood. In order to make improvement all the time, one must withstand all laughs, bombards, physical punishments and other forms of endurance as come across without fuss, so as to be on the right track of the path set by our Heavenly Mother to the uppermost heaven, where everlasting tranquility and happiness reigns.